Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to indent a sublist into your Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to indent, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application and then tap into this button, and after that you just simply have to title this one first and then make a list at very first. For example, let's say I want to make a list of foods that I want to buy, and at first I put fruits into there, and the fruits being the main list, I want to add these 3 fruits into my sublist. Now in order to indent the sublist, you just simply have to tap into this option here and then scroll it to the left side. And after that, do the similar process with the other 2. And after that, here comes the second into my list, which is vegetables. Now under the vegetables, I have these 2 options. Same with those 2 also. This way you can easily indent a sublist into your Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.